This tutorial is for 5th grade, Module 6, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we're going to look at the position of points on a number line. The directions say each shape was placed at a point on the number line. Give the coordinate of each point below. So the word coordinate refers to a number on a number line or a pair of numbers on a grid that would locate a point on that number line or on that grid. One thing to notice on our number line below, the 0 on the number line is called the origin, or the starting point of that number line. So if I look at the x on the number line, we would say that its coordinate is 3, because that's the point where it is found on that number line. The star is found at the origin, so its coordinate is 0. The circle is found at point 4, and the square is found at point 1. In this section, we're going to plot points on the number lines according to the description below each number line. Question A says to plot point A, so its distance from the origin is 2. So again, the origin is 0, so if I start at 0 and move over 2 units, that would put point A on the 2 on the number line. The second question says to plot point R so that its distance from the origin is 4. So again, if I start at the origin and move over 4 units, that would put point R at the 4 on the number line. In question C, we're going to plot point L, so its distance from the origin is 12. So again, my origin is at 0. I move 12 units over, and this point would be point L. And question D says we're going to plot point T so that its distance from the origin is 2 more than that of S. So my origin is at 0. T needs to be 2 units farther away from the origin than point S. So S is at 3. If I move over 2 units, this is where T would fall. So T is at 0.5. It's 2 units farther from the origin than point S. Here we have another number line. I will continue to plot points according to the descriptions below. Question A says to plot point A at 3. So I just need to find the 3 on the number line and put an A there. Question B says to label a point that lies at 4 as B. So B will be on 4 on the number line. So here's point B. Question C says label a point C whose distance from 0 is 5 more than that of A. So the distance from 0, or the origin, is going to be 5 more than A. So A is at 3. If I move over 5 units from 3, I land at 8. So point C is on 8 on the number line, and the coordinate of C then is 8. So you can see that every point has its unique coordinate on this number line.